Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you how to check your block list on Facebook. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to check your block list on Facebook, what you want to do is click on menu at the bottom. Once you click on menu, it's going to bring you to your Facebook's menu. Now once you're in the menu, at the top you can see the setting icon. You want to click on setting. Once you click on setting, it's going to take you to the settings and privacy page of your Facebook. Now once you're in this place of settings and privacy, at the top you can see the search icon. You want to click on search and it's going to take you to the search page. Over here you can see the option called search setting. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, you want to search for block. Now once you search for block, it's going to show you an option called blocking. Wait for some time, and as you guys can see, it's showing me blocking. I can click on blocking and then it's going to show me all the people which I have blocked. So right now I have only blocked my friend over here just to show you guys what the list looks like. So this is what the list is going to look like if you have blocked somebody. And if you want to unblock them, you can just click on unblock right beside their name in order to unblock them. But yeah, that's how you guys can check your blocked list on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.